All right, guys, in this video, I wanted to run through my failure and reclaim trading strategy once more. This is one of my favorite beginner trading strategies. It's very simple. It has a clear entry trigger, a clear invalidation, and a clear take profit. This is the formation that you guys want to be looking for here when you're using the failure and reclaim, right? So what does this strategy consist of? Well, it consists of three major parts, right? The first part is going to be the accumulation, okay? This is where price is kind of chopping around. Maybe it's making higher highs and higher lows. Maybe it's in an uptrend. But you want to see some sort of price history here, okay? And the main level that you're watching for is this swing point, if I can find it right here. Okay, so this swing point is going to be the level that we want to keep an eye out for, okay? What we're looking for here, guys, is for price to come below that previous level that had acted previously as support, come below and then reclaim that level as support once again. Now, this is a very high probability trade because what you are doing is you are catching the long after this period of manipulation right here. So I'm going to color this red. So this is going to be your manipulation. In this example, bears push price down below that previous swing point that was holding as support. Price breaks down of this support level, but it doesn't displace lower, right? It doesn't break down with large bearish candles below, right? It closes below, kind of consolidates, and then it reclaims, okay? So this is the reclaim of the previous range. And your invalidation is going to be a swing low on a lower time frame, depending on what time frame you enter. And your take profit is going to be the opposite end of the range. So maybe I have some external liquidity or the range highs right here. This would be my take profit for the trade, okay? So very high probability setup. This plays out many times per month across multiple pairs. So you can find a ton of setups with this. Let's jump into a real-time example that I was looking for and called inside the Pro Discord, okay? So this is a newer token. So this doesn't have as much price history as I would like, but this is the World Liberty Fi token. This is Trump's token. Obviously at launch, right, we had that very aggressive move down, kind of a B-wave correction. And then you can see we failed this level to the left here, right? This key level, this only level of support here. If I draw my zone here, you can see that this is the only support level on my chart here. So what I was waiting for was for price to close below this level and look to enter on a recapture of the range lows, okay, which we had gotten right here. So on a 1 hour time frame, go down, you can see again, price closes below this low, and then we end up reclaiming this low. So your entry trigger is going to be a 1 hour candle closure back above this range low right here. This is the recapture of the range. If we look at the volume on the oscillator, volume is starting to pick up as well, right deep in the blue. So this is a valid trade with your stop loss at a hard invalidation at this most recent swing low, because we are anticipating that this move was the manipulation, and now we can see further upside back into the range. And this trade is currently still running, and you can actually look for retests of this range as well, right? Grab our golden pocket. So we can actually look for another retest here of this golden pocket and of this previous range low that had acted as support in the past. And your take profit is going to be probably the range highs all the way up here. Maybe take at least a partial or a break even at this high right here. So you would probably have taken, maybe 30% off the table at a 1 to 2 risk to reward. So this was a profitable trade, but ideally you'd like to target some of these external liquidity levels all the way up here, okay? But this is what the setup will look like, right? It's not perfect. This isn't a perfect example, but this is a setup that I would personally take, right? We see that large bearish candle breaking that level, creating an inverse fair value gap here as well. You could also enter maybe on the 4 hour time frame. So this is what a failure and reclaim will look like. Let's go over some other examples here, okay? I don't even trade Forex. I already see a trade here using this strategy here on Euro USD. Actually, I'm gonna turn on my trading view algo as well for some more confluence. So again, right, we have this clear range low right here. We come below this low here, again, anticipating that manipulation move. We get the buy dot on the easy algo indicator, buy dot on the oscillator. Boom, price goes in the opposite direction. Can do the same thing for shorts as well, right? Clear range high here. Price comes above, bearish divergence. Your entry is on that 1 hour candle closure back below with your invalidation as a hard stop at that high. And again, 6 risk to reward here. Another word for a failure and reclaim is a swing failure pattern, right? These reclaims happen to be a lot faster than the previous one I showed you. Let me look for another trade here in real time. I'm currently looking for something similar on BTC as I make this video. Let's go to a fresh Bitcoin chart here, and I'll actually show you guys a trade that I'm currently eyeing here in real time. So looking at Bitcoin here, I can see that we have this very clear range low and this very clear range high. Okay, and what we've currently done is we have deviated below the range low. Again, I've identified my key level with price history here. I can even draw a zone out here, right? So this is my key level, and I'm looking for price to reclaim this range. Okay, so if we get a break of structure here on Bitcoin, I will be looking for a retest of this range low to go long, targeting the range high using the failure and reclaim of a range trading strategy. Now, you'll notice what I did here on this example is you can also wait for a breakout and retest. Similar to the World Liberty Fi token, the long position that I'm currently looking at, you can do the same here, right? So since we've had this kind of long consolidation phase below, looks like we are sort of rejecting at this level as well. I would personally wait for an impulsive move to the upside on Bitcoin, right? Something like this, and then look for a retest of that low, tagging into the local golden pocket, right? Maybe something like this. And that would be my long trigger, targeting the range highs all the way up here as my take profit. The reason this works is because you are longing, in this case, after the manipulation move has happened, faking out all of the retail traders. Once it is back into the range, you have very clear targets at the range high. You can also target these external levels here, probably for a partial take profit. This also lines up very well with the mid-range fib. So if we take this whole range here, you can see that the 0.5 fib perfectly overlaps this level as well, which is another good take profit target here for our longs after we wait for that impulse move up and then a retest. Well, that's going to be it for this video on the failure and reclaim. Again, one of my favorite trading strategies. Anytime I see this setup, I will look for confirmations on a lower time frame to go into the trade. 9 times out of 10, this will play out, and it's a very beginner-friendly strategy, not super difficult. If you guys want access to the indicators on my screen here, as well as to join my pro group where I'm posting my own personal setups and analysis every single day inside of the group, then make sure to click the first link in the description below. Lots of sauce in this, so make sure to leave a like, comment down in the comment section below if you guys have enjoyed, subscribe to the channel for more trading content, and I will see you guys next video.